If your PMS shows up every single month like clockwork, and every month you quietly blame yourself for not eating clean enough or sleeping more, I need you to hear this first. This is not a willpower problem. In a clinical study, the method I'm about to walk you through reduced PMS by 86% for 92% of the women who used it, and they only had to follow it about 72% of the time. That is not the norm for most programs, but it shows you what is actually possible when you fix the right things. I'm Alisa Vitti. I've spent 25 years in women's hormonal health, and I used to be the patient doctors told they couldn't help. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the 3 real reasons your PMS keeps coming back and the exact order you need to take to fix these issues. Even if you've tried every supplement on the shelf, stay with me because the supplements were never the problem. Here's what this looks like. The week before your period, your jeans stop fitting, your patience disappears, and you snap at somebody you love over something tiny. Then your period comes, you feel yourself again, and you tell yourself next month will be different. But it isn't. If you're the kind of woman who is already doing the work, eating well, moving your body, taking the supplements, and you still lose a week or 2 every single month, this video is for you. I've lived a more extreme version of this from the age of 12 to 22. I didn't get a period at all. I had acne, insomnia, anxiety, weight that wouldn't move. I spent years being told there was no cause and no cure. So I went and I figured out the cause myself. And what I learned is the same thing that fixes PMS. Reason number 1, the symptom trap, right? Most advice treats PMS like a standalone problem. Bloated, drink a tea. Moody, take magnesium. Cramping, take another herb. You end up managing 10 symptoms instead of fixing the deeper system underneath them. PMS is not a disease. It's a signal that your hormones are reacting to inputs that are becoming dysregulated. Reason number 2, and this is the big one, the order of operations, right? Your body is not running on a 7-day work week or a 24-hour clock. It's running on a 28-day hormonal rhythm with 4 distinct phases. The same exact smoothie, the same workout, the same supplement can support you in one phase and work against you in the next. When you eat and move in the wrong order for your cycle phases, your body pays for it in the luteal phase, and that's your PMS week. A third reason is that you've been kind of told to be perfect, and perfect is the enemy here. Remember that study that I mentioned where the participants were only 72% compliant, right? The women didn't do the method flawlessly. They did the right things in the right rhythm consistently enough. You don't need more discipline. You need the right sequence and a little consistency over time. Put those 3 together, and here's the truth. You can't outthink the daily actions your hormones require. Knowing one more wellness fact won't change anything. Doing the right things in the right order, that changes everything. I want to say something that took me years to understand. There's a story out there that says women are just built to suffer, that cramps and mood swings and misery are the tax you pay for having a female body. That story is wrong, and it is costing you. Humans suffer when they get the inputs wrong. Women are not special in that suffering. Your body's not broken or cursed. It is powerful, and it's asking you for a specific order of support. The moment you stop fighting your biology and start working with its rhythm, the symptoms you've been white knuckling through for years start to fade. I've watched it happen for thousands of women, just like it happened for me. So here's where to start. I put together a free roadmap called PMS in 90 days. It walks you through the exact order, phase by phase, so you can stop guessing. Comment the word PMS and I'll send it to you, and you can grab the link in the description as well. If this reframed how you see your own body, subscribe, because the next video I'm going to be breaking down how to eat for each phase of your cycle so this becomes second nature.